not gonna race. Not racing, I'm not gonna race. I'm not gonna race. You ready to get gapped, son?
Shit. I think he's gonna get his fucking ass whooped. You know
He's
it.
about to get gapped. You don't even know.
You're crazy. I gotta be like 60 pounds, I gotta go bald, and I gotta wear a Hawaiian shirt to drive this car down.
You got the New Balances ready.
No, I'm gonna New Balance. Diabetes shoes.
Oh, you got a new toy, huh?
Yes, sir.
New toy. Z06.
Z06, 2008. It's an old man's car.
Oh, a retired man's
The
car.
Corvette, the wheels.
Did you have to tint the window like all the way black?
That's the way I roll, baby boy. Every car I own, the windshield are black.
I don't know how you see through that thing. So Z06, 2008, LS7 obviously, and what charger?
V3, where the fuck that is?
Vortec V3. No, it looks good though. Nice fresh seats. Makes me miss definitely old man, as you can see from the supercharged nameplate and the chrome Corvette stickers on the
best
dash.
part. The signature of old man's car.
What is that? Oh, the LEDs in the.
Look at the back.
Oh no.
Underneath the exhaust.
Oh no. Yeah.
And then, hey, these don't come with this chrome strip, right?
No, it's not.
Dude, for the life of me, I cannot take it off.
It's stuck on there good, huh?
Dude, I don't know what he used, but it.
I'm surprised it doesn't have the chrome bezels that go, you know, and they have the little Chevy emblems on it. Or flames.
It's so bad.
It matches your flame tattoo.
I would tell you
your
that
flame arm tattoo. Z06. We're actually gonna go to my brother's house and check out his Corvette and kind of get ideas of what he wants to do with this thing, because there's so much upgrading you can do. That's not how you shut a Corvette hood either, by the way. You just triggered every Corvette owner in the world.
Fuck. That's not my key.
I actually brought my draggy.
Oh yeah.
And we can go out to the street real quick and do a hit, and you can see what this thing would do in the quarter mile.
Don't even get me started. That's the reason why this car's like that. Can we?
Yeah, we need to get rid of that stuff.
Like, what the fuck do you need all this for? Like, I understand that. Okay, whatever.
Yeah, but
like, what the fuck is this for?
Boost? To know how much boost you're
At least use a digital one or something. God damn. And fuel. Okay, it's 60.
60 psi. Check.
Check. Yeah. And then he had like this aftermarket radar.
The radars.
Yeah, I took that shit off.
What do you think it ran?
Probably like a 10, mid-10s.
No, in a quarter?
Probably.
No, dude, you crazy.
Faster?
No, slower.
Oh, 11s?
No, slow.
Nope. 13s?
12.5.
12.5.
I think you let out just a little bit before the quarter mile.
Oh, did I?
Yeah. Okay, so we're on our way to my brother's house to take sneak peek at his vet. You guys have seen that on the channel a long time ago, but it's currently down because it threw a belt. So we're gonna help him out a little bit and take a look at the vet so Andy can get some ideas and have some fun along the way. Yeah, puppy, how did that feel?
I guess it was a traction control.
Yeah, it was.
I bet you I could drift it if I really wanted to.
You swung it pretty good.
I got to drift it this way.
Yeah.
I got pretty close to that side.
Yeah, you did.
This motherfucker went over 220.
Alright, first to the bend. Are you ready?
What?
First to the bend.
First to the what?
To the bend. You ready? We are in the Corvette, the C8, and we're gonna test it out and see different modes and see how it accelerates. So basically, I'm gonna put it in this track mode, right? Once it hits the two-step, it will launch the car, and it should be fine. I don't know how fast it's gonna go. The second mode, the second run will be in more of a clutch drop mode.
Yeah, put an exhaust on it. Hi, Brian. I just realized you put an exhaust on your car.
Yeah, put an exhaust on.
For some reason, I thought that was stock.
No.
Yeah, my bad.
So yeah, I'm trying to remember the mode to launch this thing in, 'cause it's weird.
It doesn't matter. It goes safety. Right. What do you want? Do you want something?
Yeah, give me the 60 foot.
Okay, that's fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'll give you 60 foot.
Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna get on the. I don't know how much it's gonna make on the brake, so I guess I'll just get on the brake when the third light comes. I'm a fucking like.
All right, let's see what this thing's gonna do. All right. So I just gotta make sure. Pretty sure I ran a, let me pull it up, 11.3 at 119 miles per hour. So yes, it's pretty slow. I guess in comparison to the Trans Am, to the Bullet. But still was fun. I was sipping tea a little bit during the 8th mile. I was like, yep, okay, it's going. But it's a lot of fun. The launch is pretty good. So the next step, I guess, is to try to launch. The next pass, I'm going to try to launch it a little more aggressive. That was like 3,000-ish on the 2-step that it has, which was fun. But yeah, need to get a little faster on it. So let's see if we can beat that time and then go from there.
Get this running started. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate it. Now let's see this orange beauty make a nice tag.
You want a body style? Oh, that's a pretty nice car, man. Good luck.
That about snapped my neck when this car launched. So I put it in neutral mode and I revved it up higher than the 2-step. And first of all, there's a delay. Okay, so I tried to judge it where. So I let out early of the clutch while feathering the brake a little bit just to stay in the beams. Let out early, let out of the brake, and it was like it was a delay between that and when it actually went. So it took me by surprise. But yeah, something happened to Harry's car. I think he didn't make a good pass at all. But yeah, I'm curious to see what I run. I bet it's better than the 11.3 I've already ran in it. So we'll see. Okay, real quick, because I forgot to film the outro, but if you like the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up. And I know it was all over the place. There were a couple pieces that were filmed a different day than they were, but I try to piece everything together as best I could. We're going to be doing more videos with this thing. Leave a comment if you have any ideas what you want to see. Hopefully next time I'm better prepared with the GoPro footage and have it angled better. But that's it for now. I'm going to leave the video here. I know we want to try to do a little bit of drifting, burnouts, and maybe some road course action with this thing. Not sure. But that's it. I'm going to let this thing cool down and get back to editing.